How would you like to copy and paste this exact same funnel that has made me over $137,000 in the past 6 months? Check this out. Now guys, this is inside my 3-day business breakthrough challenge account in the past 6 months. As you can see here, we've done over $137,000. And here's the cool thing, guys. I'm gonna allow you to literally copy and paste this exact same business. Let me show you exactly how this works. Hey, what's up guys? My name is Jonathan Montoya with Passive Income Lifestyles, and on this channel I teach people how to start a full-time passive income business so you can achieve financial freedom and quit your 9-to-5 jobs. And guys, I'm coming out with videos almost every single day, so if you want to learn more, please subscribe to my channel at Passive Income Lifestyles. Like this video, comment, all that good stuff, guys. Let's get into the video. Alright guys, so we're diving deep into my 3-day challenge. Now if you don't know what my 3-day challenge is, it's basically a challenge that teaches people how to start an affiliate business from the ground up. Now the cool thing guys is I showed you that in the last 6 months we've done over $136,000, $137,000 if I go to beginning of February here, as you can see. Now this challenge is designed to help beginners build their business from scratch, but the cool thing is I'm actually going to give you this as a 3-day challenge white label program, meaning you take the payments, you fulfill on the actual course. Of course, you're using my exact course that I'm giving you here. And let me show you exactly how it works, okay? So this is the exact funnel that you're gonna get, okay? This is the white label 3-day challenge. You're literally getting everything from the opt-in page to the sales page here. You can see we also have the checkout page, all the upsells that go with it in the 3-day challenge. Most of you that have gone through it understand how it works. Well, what I'm giving you here is rights to resell this as your own, not as an affiliate, but as your own business, okay? Now let me show you what it looks like inside your members area. You have access to the 3-day business breakthrough challenge, but I allow you to build your business, your brand, and I allow you to put your affiliate links in there as well. As you can see here, you can see in lesson number 1, I allow you to introduce yourself and to introduce the instructor, which is myself. And obviously they go through the 3-day challenge, and inside of here, you can go ahead and promote higher ticket programs like Freedom Breakthrough 2.0. That's the goal of the 3-day challenge, is to get people in at a low ticket for $7 and then upgrade them to the main program, Freedom Breakthrough 2.0, for $14.97. Now the cool thing is I allow you to do all this, to message people, create Zoom calls, however you want to close people with this white label 3-day challenge. And I allow you to change the links as well. So on day number 2, as you can see, you could literally go inside of here and change the links to your ClickFunnels account, to your GetResponse account, everything that's inside of here, I allow you to change, okay? Now, the cool thing about this as well is you get all the upsells that go with it, all right? So if you've never gone through the challenge, it's basically how it works, okay? This is kind of the value ladder here. We have the $7 challenge, then we have the $37 order bump, okay? And then there's a $47 YouTube live event, and then the $97 upsell for the YouTube tools and templates, okay? So this is all inside of here, okay? As you can see, this is when someone pays for the $7 challenge. This right here is the $47, right here is the $97 program, and then right here is the order bump here, okay? Again, I'm giving you all this as a white label affiliate, okay? Now I'm gonna show you exactly how you can access this and how it works, but I also wanna show you how you can set this up as soon as possible. Now the cool thing about this is I allow you to actually take payments, I allow you to fulfill on the order. It's literally your business, okay? Now, the way you can access this is inside of Freedom Breakthrough 2.0. Now, this is something that no one has ever done as far as creating a white label 3-day challenge. Now, what's cool about is when you get the white label, you literally get this whole membership and you sell this as your own, okay? So it literally looks like this, okay? You get the 3-day challenge, you get the upsells inside of here. The only thing you don't get is the actual Freedom Breakthrough course, which is obviously the upsell, right? So inside of the 3-day challenge, I allow you to close people on the main program, which is Freedom Breakthrough 2.0. So it gives you more ability to build your business, but it allows you to use my leverage and my authority inside 3-day challenge. Now, how do we actually set this up? I give you a full step-by-step walkthrough on how to get this 3-day white label challenge inside of your account, how to import the funnel, how to get the products in there, how to get the membership area situated, how to fulfill on the actual product, and more importantly, how can you put your affiliate links and how could you make money using this product. Now, if you go down inside of Freedom Breakthrough 2.0, you can see that this is the white label 3-day challenge, okay? Now I show you exactly how to set up this whole system, how the white label works in detail, how to import the 3-day challenge into your literal business, how to get your perfect domain, how to set up the legal pages. Again, this is your business. You're setting this up for yourself. You're creating the Stripe account, which is the merchant account, which allows you to collect payment. Again, you're not an affiliate for the 3-day challenge. You're actually taking payment yourself, so the money's directly going into your bank account, okay? And I show you how to do everything with the 3-day challenge, but more importantly, I show you how to 10x your sales with the high ticket. Again, the goal here is so you sell the 3-day challenge yourself, but then I allow you to promote the higher ticket product. Let me show you one more thing. Now, inside of my affiliate JV page, you'll know how it works, okay? So obviously, I have my 3-day challenge, which I charge $7. Now, essentially, I'm giving you this, so now you're not an affiliate, you're actually taking this and you're promoting this as your own. Now, the cool thing here is you can go ahead and inside of your white label 3-day challenge, you can now promote the higher ticket $1,497 program, which is gonna go up to $2,000 very soon. Now guys, no one has ever released a white label course that people can use as an affiliate marketer. So I'm really excited to release this to you guys. And I know a lot of people are already using it and already implementing this, the white label challenge. Now guys, if you want access to the 3-day challenge white label program, there's a link down below to join Freedom Breakthrough 2.0. Now in Freedom Breakthrough 2.0, not only are you gonna get a white label 3-day challenge, you're also gonna get my full program. The white label program is just a bonus that you get with the Freedom Breakthrough program. You also get 75% commissions for life. You also get the actual program and how you can close high ticket sales as fast as possible. This is literally the best program I have ever released, and we've had over 10,000 students inside of the 3-day challenge. You're gonna literally go ahead and copy and paste that and use it for your own business so you can build your brand and your business on top of my authority. So I hope you guys are excited as I am for this new 3-day white label challenge. I hope you guys take advantage of this offer because I will not have this forever because again, I don't want to give away my business to everyone in the marketplace and flood it. So if you guys want access to this, I'm gonna leave a link down below. It's gonna be the first link that'll give you access to Freedom Breakthrough 2.0, which will give you access to the 3-day challenge white label program. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you found any value in this video, please subscribe to my channel, guys. I'm coming out with videos almost every single day. We'll see you on the next one.